Number 8, the sprint stage gate. The sprint review is a kind of stage gate approval process where stakeholders sign off features. This anti-pattern is typical for organizations that are still rooted in the industrial paradigm, exercising command and control, rooted in this my budget, my feature idea. The Scrum team may probably be regarded more as a kind of internal agency. You have to engage to get your things done as a stakeholder. I wouldn't rule out that there might be some kind of metered funding approach practice on top of this stage gate anti-pattern. In this case, I would suggest that you strongly reconsider your approach to becoming agile. Maybe you might be inclined to start over because you're actually practicing some kind of Water-Scrum-Fall. Just to remind you of the Scrum Guide, it's the prerogative of the product owner to decide what is going to ship and what will be accepted. There's no other party involved in that. The Scrum Guide mentions that the product owner might be influenced by a committee when it comes to ordering the product backlog and deciding what would be valuable to be built next. But as far as the acceptance is concerned, it's only the product owner.